Good evening, mommies.
Hello.
Ang
Good.
aga ni Mommy Monette.
I know, right? Very early. I love
Yes.
it. I love it. Hello, hello. Okay, na. Good evening. Happy Friday.
I actually forgot it's a Friday. Happy Friday, mommies.
Ooh. Friday. Oops.
Sige lang. Let's wait for more people to join.
Hello, good evening. Namiss ko nila mag-live. Ako din, namiss ko din.
Aw,
Parang, it feels like it has been a long time. One
I
second.
know. There was an extra week though, 'di ba? Was there? October? Parang sobra ng 4 weeks yung October.
Oh, yeah. That's why it seemed like there are 3 weeks. Yep.
Yeah.
May judge ako sa drink ko. Happy Friday, mommies. This is how the
Why
past
naman?
couple of weeks have been.
Bakit naman? What's your drink?
Um, my
Is it your
husband made
go-to?
me a drink. Yes, it is. It is
Yeah.
my GNT, my favorite GNT.
Aw. Naiinggit ako, promise. But it's a work day for me. It's a start of my Friday in a few. It actually started earlier, so I started um doing stuff for work earlier. So this is my drink, our go-to black coffee.
Black coffee. Yes. I remember na you're the first one who told me that you drink black coffee.
I did, yeah.
Oo. Tapos sabi ko noon, this is so weird. Like, who does black coffee?
Well, only a person with a black heart as mine. I'm in an Agatha all along phase at the moment.
No, you know what's crazy? Me and David now drink black coffee. It's been siguro mga 2 years na yata.
Oh, yeah, it's good. It's good
Yes.
for you. I like it. I'm
Pure.
getting Ralph into the black coffee thing because um recently so he had like this major um acid thing. Tapos talagang medyo bedridden siya for a while. So sabi ng doctor, cut down on these things, bawal spicy, bawal ganito, bawal ganyan. And then I said, research shows na ang nakakapagpa-acidic sa coffee is not actually the coffee itself. While there are acidic properties, pero yung parang nag-activate sa acid is the creamer.
Mm.
So, creamer, any cream-based stuff. So, in moderation lang siya pwedeng mag coffee and cream, ganyan. So, every
Yeah.
day I make him black coffee.
Well, they say, okay naman ang black coffee eh. If it's purely a coffee, it's fine. But everything you
Yes.
add into it, like sugar, creamer, milk, that's when it starts to get, you know,
Yeah.
tricky.
Yes.
Naalala ko before, like, I used to, especially when I was still working, same job as you. We have like, I don't know, 3 cups. Tapos yung coffee ko, because I really needed caffeine and, be alive and active, I
Mm-mm.
add sugar, lots of sugar. So parang ano siya, sugar na may coffee.
Oo. The works, di ba? Sugar,
Yes,
syrup, ano
yes.
pa ba?
Yep, sugar. Crazy, especially night shift, 'di ba?
Yes.
May mga night shift mommies tayo dito, I can see. And
Yes.
yep, it's rough. But yes, happy Friday, mommies. Thank you all for being here.
Hello, Mommy
Um,
Jigs. sabi niya napatingin siya sa tumbler niya. Ang laman daw tubig. Yes, bawal ka mag-coffee. Huwag ka muna mag-coffee.
Yes, but there are, breastfeeding safe coffee
Yeah.
that are now in the market. Although before, I've had issues with mine kasi parang hindi makatulog yung baby ko at that time eh, whenever I
Mm-mm.
drink coffee. So I don't know. But
It
maybe that's just me.
depends.
Yeah.
Oo. Kasi ako nagko-coffee ako, pero in moderation. Parang sabi ng OB ko, you can take like a cup of coffee every day. One cup of coffee every day. And then that
Mhm.
should be good. So, pero before that, di ba nga nakakailang cups tayo ng coffee because of our night shift work. So, for me, it's like venti is like just tall. Tall lang.
Yeah.
Pero, di ba, tapos kulang pa siya. But, well, masasanay ka din naman eventually, di ba? But health is wealth. So,
Yep. Oh my. You know what? This is episode 10.1 and I feel like we haven't done this in a long time. Parang ako nangangapa. So apologies, mommy. No, parang it's been a while and like earlier I was like, paano nga ba ulit i-stream to sa Facebook? Yes, but we have a lot of exciting exciting things to talk about today, and we have our special guest. We have our third guest. This is actually the last episode with a guest for this year, di ba, Freddy?
yes, yes. So, very
And you
special ang guest natin.
yes, and they always say that you have to end things with a bang.
Oh,
So
yes.
that's why we have a very special guest for tonight. So yun, excited na ako. But before that, before we go to our guest lang, Franny, just quick
Mm-mm.
updates and, anything that you want to share while we're getting the hang of it.
Well, we're getting used to doing this again. So yeah,
Yes.
well, nothing new. Like work has been taking a lot of my time, but I love what I'm doing for the company. I was in October. I was in BGC for a business trip and also a parang summit, top 100 leader summit for the company. And so I guess
Mm-hmm.
that I sat there. But then while I was at BGC, naghanap ako, ano, ako, I was so obsessed with looking for a good nail salon who can do glass nails. And I think you've seen that in my post the other day. I've been looking, so I've tried a number of, if you guys have heard of that, yung glass nails ni Hailey Bieber and um Kylie Jenner. So I wanted that for so long. So naghanap ako ng nasa BGC ako lang makita na talagang perfect. It's always a failure. So I've done it like what twice, thrice, I think. Tapos surprisingly, I tried this local nail salon na na-discover ko sa Facebook, only here sa Bulacan, and they were able to achieve it. Sabi ko, oh my God, I was so happy. Feeling ko parang magpapag-glass nails ako every time. So it's really, really cute kasi there's like a parang a sheen, an overlay on top na
Mm-hmm.
talagang it looks like made of glass yung nails ko. Although mine are putot. So my nails are putot, but it's so cute and it's so pink and shiny for the pink mommies out there.
I'm so happy for you, Franny. One thing about Marie here, if she really wants something, talagang she will find it and look for it and go crazy.
Obsessed over it.
Okay, yeah. Pero happy for you, at least you found it na, right? And
Yes.
yeah. Yep.
Well,
Sa akin naman, I don't know, it's been, oh my goodness. Pero alam mo, nagkasakit kasi kami. So me and, well, we got sick for the past 2 to 3 weeks. So parang I'm still kind of recovering.
yeah.
And ngayon naman, like it's our baby who's parang medyo nasa dulo na siya of being sick, but he's still nebulizing.
Oh
The
gosh.
cough and the cold. Thank goodness walang fever, so that's a good thing. And ayun, it's just tiring and ay nako,
I
alam niyo
feel
naman pag
you.
nagkakasakit, yeah, it's hard. But yeah, but overall life's been amazing and ano lang. And it's just crazy that it's already December or it's almost the end of the year.
I know. My gosh,
Yeah.
ready na ba kayo sa Christmas and your Christmas shopping lists?
Yep.
Kasi ako hindi
Are
pa.
your are your wallets ready?
Are your wallets ready? Are your
Yeah.
funds ready? Di ba uso ngayon yung sa Facebook yung mga inaanak, ano na lang, um, may note sa house na saying na kailangan magdala ng proof na inaanak para makakuha ng pamasko, 'di ba? May mga gano'n. So dumadami 'yan kasi as we know, inflation is real and it's
Yep.
happening. So I hope everybody you've planned for your Christmases, your holidays, ayan. Kasi malaking bagay 'yan this time.
Yep. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. And I just can't help but reminisce because it's already December. Tapos,
Yeah.
how many episodes we've done. And at first we still didn't want to do it. I can't believe it. Like we didn't want to do it. As now we're here and then we have guests. So we are feeling blessed. Um,
Yes. Very blessed.
yes. Yes. And speaking of guests, and I've said this during our last episode that we don't just get guests here on our show. We make sure that, our guests can inspire and empower other moms too, or those who are listening, or here with us. Are we really want everyone to have like their takeaways in this episode, right? So for tonight, without further ado, let me just introduce na our guest. She is the owner of Shadrach. Um, and I don't know a lot of baby wearing companies, but she's
Yeah.
such a kind-hearted mommy. I've met her at one of the events. I'm just so glad to be able to have her today with us. So please welcome Mommy Jen. Hey,
Welcome,
Mommy
Mommy
Jen.
Jen.
Woohoo!
I also don't know a lot.
Hello, hello, beautiful mamas.
Hello. Mommy Jen,
Thank
I
you for
also,
the kind words.
yeah. And I also have not heard of any local brand ng baby wearing except for Shadrach. Is there a
Really?
reason? Do you know? Or is it like
Actually,
an advocacy?
for local brand, we are, I think, mga three brands in the Philippines.
Three brands lang?
Yeah, na
Grabe.
offering local brand of
Mm-mm.
carriers. Pero may mga distributors ng mga international brand. Pero
Oo.
manufacturing a local brand, alam ko tatlo lang kami sa Philippines. Yeah,
Amazing.
let's educate more mommies about baby wearing.
Yeah, kasi that's taboo, 'di ba? Parang while culturally, 'di ba, yung native ano natin, native culture natin, we're really used to baby wearing, but like the modern mommies, they don't know much about baby wearing. Parang just carry the child or like
Yeah.
I see a lot of misinformation about using the wrong carriers ganyan that there is a proper carrier for you to use pala to ensure that your baby grows and that the bones aren't affected, the posture isn't affected eventually, diba? So we'll get to that later on. I guess for now, let's talk about you, Mommy Jen. Let's talk about you. Tell us about yourself. Who is Jen as a mom and who is Jen as a businesswoman?
Ayan, all right. Sige. Actually, I'm so excited for this episode. And then after hearing na I'm the last guest of the year, so kailangang punong-puno at siksig na lesson at, wisdom ang maisi-share natin sa mga moms ngayon. All right. Okay. So I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am the founder of Shadrach Co., a baby wearing company. Um, the company is running for almost for 10 years now. Actually, we had celebrated our 10 years anniversary last October. Ayan. So I think most familiar moms na nakita ko sa comment sections are some, familiar moms na nakikita ko rin sa Shadrach. Yan. So thank you for being here, for watching me. Ayan. I have four children. I have 21 years old, taking
Oh,
nurse. Yeah.
hindi
And
halata ah. You look so young.
then the next one is 17 years old. Then si Shadrach, my third child, and then Lara. Yan. She's 8. My youngest is 8 now. Ayan. And What else? I started baby wearing when my third child, Shadrach, was an infant. It was then that Shadrach Co. Collection started. Ayan, so I needed a way to keep moving. For sure, lahat ng moms, 'di ba? We need to multitask, we need to do household chores, and at the same time, I need to take care of my newborn. So,
Mhm.
but during that time, bago pa man nagka-Shadrach, is I don't have actually any plans na magkaroon ng ganitong klase ng business. So, wala talaga siya sa plano. Ayun. So, before Shadrach, I was working in Makati. I'm an IT by profession. Di lang halata.
Wow.
Ayun.
Wow.
So,
IT, Mommy Jen?
IT, yes, yes.
Oh
Yun.
my goodness. I don't meet a lot of moms who are in the IT
Yun.
field.
Meron,
Yeah.
actually, di ko siya na-practice. More on data, office work, ganyan ang aking task when I was working. So, 5 years yun na bumabiyahe ako from Makati to Fairview. So, it took me 12 hours para makauwi ako sa bahay or makarating ako sa office. Kasama na yung office work, 'di ba? Na 8
Mhm.
hours. Ayan. So, my dream before was to stay with my children. So, dalawa pa lang sila noon. Parang nagkaroon sa akin ng realization and wake-up call when my eldest child told me na, Mom, kailan ka mag-stop mag-work? So, parang it hit me so hard. Alam mo naman tayo, 'di ba? Pag anak na yung pinag-uusapan, wala na, hindi na tayo, nagkakaroon na tayo ng mommy guilt, which is normal sa ating mga
Mhm.
nanay. Na parang every time na nag-work ako sa Makati, sa office, iniisip ko yung anak ko, kailan ako makakahinto sa trabaho? And during that time, nag-aaral pa yung mga kapatid ko and I need to support them. So, typical Filipino na pag-aaralin mo yung kapatid mo, tutulungan mo sila, ganyan, na makaraos din sa kanilang pag-aaral. So, I'm an eldest child, kaya kailangan ko talagang mag-work for them. Iniisip ko rin yung anak ko na paano kaya ako makakahinto ng work. So, ang haba ng introduction ko, no? So, ayan, so nagkaroon ako ng dream na magkaroon din sana ako ng business and at the same time maaalagaan ko yung anak ko. But before that, hindi naman ako agad nakapag-business. Um, I'm a freelancer. Nag-resign ako sa work, so doon na nag-start para at the same time, kahit papaano, hawak ko yung oras ko. So, I became a financial coach, financial educator, ganyan, travel abroad, ganyan. So, ganun pa rin, di ba? Umaalis pa rin ako ng bahay, nagta-travel, ganyan. By
Mhm.
the way, my husband is an OFW. So,
So
before
mag-isa
Shadrach,
ka.
yeah.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
alam mo yun, ako lahat kasi nga si husband, lagi siyang away. Tapos, ako lang yung mag-aalaga sa mga bata. Yaya, come and go, alam niyo yan, for sure. 'Di
Mm.
ba? May darating, mawawala. So, most of the work talagang ako yung gagawa. Ayan. Yun. So, doon nag-start. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng dream na sana one day magkaroon ako ng business. Yun.
That's nice. So, nagulat ako dun sa part ng, and how many kids have you had then? Nung mag-isa ka lang?
Two pa lang sila.
Two pa, but yeah, but still, di ba? Parang,
Yes,
I'm
ang
thinking
hirap.
about
Yeah.
being away from your husband. You don't have that level of emotional support,
Yes.
physical support as well, di ba? Tapos isa pa lang yung anak kong hirap na, dalawa pa kaya, di ba? So, you were so
Yes.
brave to take on that the challenge in life, no? In doing your career, being a mom, and being also, trying to start your business.
Oh, may question ako, Mommy Jen. Kasi you mentioned that, and I think this is like Filipino culture too, because you said you're the eldest, di ba? And pinag-aaral mo yung mga kapatid mo. Would you encourage your eldest to do the same for the siblings?
Well, actually, hindi. I don't require them to do that. Kaya
Mm.
nga kami as parent, I'm teaching also Filipino about financial education. Kasi
Mhm.
nasanay tayo na 'di ba, naaasa sa mga anak para ginagawa natin silang investment para sila din magpapaaral din sila ng alam mo yun, we need to cut that, we call that ano, generational curse,
First,
no?
Mm-hmm.
yes.
Yes. So, hindi ko talaga ire-require yung mga anak ko and the reason why we are giving them um a good future. Nagsisikap kami para one day when they are ready, they can do whatever they want. They can chase their
Mhm.
dream. Alam mo yun, hindi kami ang magiging hadlang dun sa dreams nila. And
Yeah.
syempre, di ko gagawin yon. But actually,
Yeah.
kasi kami, we are born poor eh. Alam mo yung pinang-aral sa amin, iginagapang talaga ng tatay o ipapangutang para makapag-aral. So, ganun yung buhay namin before. Kaya,
Mhm.
wala rin naman akong regrets na I help my siblings or my
Mhm.
family. Pero pagdating sa mga anak ko, hindi ko na siya gagawin. I want to empower them na dapat they know how to manage their finances, they have a solid financial education, yun pa lang dapat alam na nila. And the reason why I'm here, so ano ba yung purpose ng ginagawa ko? Kung anak ko, 'di ba, hindi
Mhm.
niya nakuha yung dapat na education na dapat na i-pay forward namin sa kanila. Yun.
Yeah.
Kasi one of my advocacies talaga is financial being, teaching the Filipinos to become financially literate.
Mm-hmm.
So,
It's so
number one, of
inspiring.
course, my children.
Yeah, very inspiring. And I think this is something na pwede nating i-tackle in the future. How do we
Oh,
teach our
yes.
kids to be financially
Mhm.
Yes,
knowledgeable,
yes.
no?
You
Because
know what?
honestly, as we were growing up, 'di ba sa generation natin, wala naman tayong ganyan eh. You learn through
Yes,
experience eh.
yes. You know what, Mami
Yes.
Mami? During that time talaga, kasi wala namang nagturo eh. Ano ba yung financial education na yan? Paano ba mamamanage yung finances? And then doon na ako nagkaroon ng courage na alamin. So I attended seminars, I attended mga, alam mo yun, mga trainings on how to
Mhm.
improve and on how to learn about finances. Siyempre,
Mm-hmm.
my husband is an OFW. So, dapat talaga ako as wife, kailangan kong i-manage yung finances namin dahil
Yeah.
Mhm.
natutulad din kami sa ibang OFW na uuwi ng Pilipinas, wala ng pera.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Paano yung pinaghirapan for how many years, 'di ba? And then eventually wala, you still die poor. And I don't want that.
That's so
Mhm.
nice. That's so nice.
Yeah, so
I
inspiring.
Yeah. But let's go back to our topic, which is baby carriers and Shadrach. Could you tell us ano yung catalyst mo behind Shadrach? Like apart from, the desire to stay at home with your kids, bakit Shadrach out of all of the businesses? Bakit
Yes.
baby wearing?
Yan. So actually connected yan eh, yung experiences ko from the finances, teaching Filipino, and how to educate them about financial literacy. Na-victim ako ng scam. So imagine that, 'di ba? Nagtuturo ako pero na-biktima ako. So I just wanted to of course teach every Filipino na kailangan nating maging wais sa mga taong nami-meet din natin. And yun, doon na nag-start. I was pregnant with Shadrach and then etong friend ko na pinagkatiwala namin ng aming money, hard-earned
Mhm.
money. So, we invested 13 million. Ayan, 13
Whoa.
million pesos. And then, syempre, sobrang tiwala na. We do the business for, um, I, for 2 years. And then, okay naman ang income, ganyan. And then, after 2 years, nag-fly away na siya. Tumakas na, nag-file ako ng case. I was pregnant that time. I'm so stressed talaga. So, and then I prayed. Sabi ko, I wish na magkaroon ako ng baby boy. And then, God granted my prayer and binigay sa amin si Shadrach. So, doon nawala na yung, parang alam mo yung stress, napalitan ng being blessed. Kasi, ito na yung prayer namin. Dahil after 7 years, doon lang nasundan yung second child ko. So, dumating si Shadrach sa buhay namin. And then, sabi ko, Teka, parang syempre third child, parang panganay ulit dahil ang tagal nga nang nasundan. Sabi ko, paano ko aalagaan yung baby ko? Paano gagawin na, syempre, kahit pa naman nasa bahay ako, ang dami ko pa rin transaction, bank transaction, kailangan kong mag-grocery, kailangan kong lumabas. Until one day, I joined a baby wearing, breastfeeding group in the Philippines. I don't know if you're familiar with Breastfeeding Pinay. So,
Yeah.
nag-join ako. And then I am wearing a non-ergonomic carrier. Are you familiar with non-ergonomic
Mm-hmm.
carrier? The
Yes, sikat
narrow
na
base
sikat yan.
it's a narrow base baby carrier. So, I'm very proud pa na suot-suot ko yung baby ko while breastfeeding him, si Shadrach. So, there's a mom na binash ako. Pero it's okay kasi yung bash na yon, 'di ba? It leads me to Shadrach business. Kasi nga
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
na-curious ako eh. Sabi niya, "Mommy, alam mo, maganda ka sana, kaya lang mali yung ginagamit mong carrier."
Huwag ganon.
Oo, sabi niya, naku, yung baby mo kawawa naman kasi yung legs niya nakadangling, tapos hindi nakasupport sa legs niya. Naku, kawawa naman yung spine, ng mga ganon. Sabi ko,
Mm-hmm.
pero I don't take it negatively ha.
Yes,
Sabi ko,
yes.
ay, eh, may, ano pala, there's such thing as baby wearing pala, ganyan-ganyan. So, join ka sa group na to. So, I joined Baby Wearing Philippines. That time, I think Rap Lovers Philippines pa sila. So, yun pa lang
Mhm.
yung pangalan nila kasi yung panahon namin, oh my gosh, 10 years ago. Parang ang tanda
It's
na, no?
okay.
Yeah, 10 years ago, ang carrier lang na available is Rap, Ringsling.
Yeah.
Bihira yung soft-structured carrier, yung parang backpack. So, sa mga moms na nandito, mamaya explain natin 'yan, yung mga technical niyan. Pero yung ginagamit natin ngayon na ergonomic carrier, hindi pa siya available before. Meron man, pero kailangan mo pa ng infant insert. Dinabutan niyo ba 'yon? Oh my gosh, baka
Yeah.
ako lang yung matanda dito.
No, na I can relate. Kasi
Ay,
also, I think magka-age si Shadrach and yung second ko.
ako
I think
talaga. So,
magka-age
yun,
sila.
kailangan pa ng infant insert para, di ba, kaya siya naglalagay ng infant insert para umangat yung baby. Kasi, syempre, hindi
Mm-mm.
nga kailangan lubog sa carrier.
Mm.
So, ang dami pang accessories na kailangan ganito yung gamitin. So, ganun yung carrier before. And, sabi ko, since wala namang available pa in the market during that time, so, wrap nga lang and ring sling, nag-join ako. So, na-in-love ako sa concept ng baby wearing kasi finally, maalagaan ko na yung anak ko and while breastfeeding, pwede rin mag-baby wear at the same time. And magagawa ko na yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin like multitasking, I can do groceries, makakalabas na ako ng bahay, 'di ba? On my own with my child, 'di ba? So, sobrang empowered ako sa idea.
Mm-mm.
And then, nung nalaman ko na may mga offer before, internationally, mga international brand, we are dominated by
Mm-hmm.
international brand before. So, sabi ko, kung kaya nila, kaya rin ng Pilipinas, 'di ba? Kaya rin
Yes.
ng local. So what I did, naghanap ako ng mga local weavers sa Philippines. Kasi before, yung mga binibili na wrap, it cost around 200 to $300. Tapos, syempre, yung shipping pa sa Philippines. Ganun yung available na carrier before, ng mga wrap, mga imported, ganyan. So sabi ko, kailangan makahanap ako ng local weavers. Nakarating ako ng Benguet, nakarating ako ng Baguio, Ilocos. Alam mo yon, just to find weavers. They are dying na, 'di ba? And then,
Ah,
I met a community in Batangas wherein sabi nila, ayaw na nilang ituloy yung weaving industry
yung
sa
heritage nila na
Batangas.
yun.
Yes. Kasi ayaw na rin ng mga anak nila. Ayaw na nilang manahin kasi nga wala daw pera sa weaving.
Mm.
So, sabi ko, I don't know kung saan ko nakuha yung courage. Pero dahil nga, yung parang yung heart ko na, mawawala na yung weaving industry. Paano na sila nanay? Paano na yung mga lola? Paano na yung mga umaasa? So sabi ko, akong bahala. Pero wala akong backup, wala akong knowledge, wala akong business background. So sabi ko, ako po yung bahala. Ako po yung magmamarket niyan. Kaya ko po yan. I-market natin yan para marami pong bibili. And then after that, sabi ko, teka, saan ko kukunin yung supplier?
Capital.
Yes, supplier. yes, capital. During that time, since nga kagagaling lang namin sa, na-scam kami. We lost
Yeah.
30 million, 'di ba? Zero savings, back to zero, ganyan. So sabi ko, nahihiya ako sa husband ko manghingi ng money. As in, nahihiya talaga. So what I did, lahat ng mga jewelries ko na meron ako, sinanla ko. So, I have 30,000 pesos in my pocket. May kinausap akong weaver. Sabi ko, gawan mo ako ng itong design. So, nag-start na ako sa woven wrap. Ayan, so
Mm.
ako lahat. Ako yung model, ako din yung photographer. Magyayaya lang din ako ng ibang pinsan or kapatid ko. Magpo-photoshoot kami somewhere, ganyan. And then, sabi ko, i-push natin to kasi meron tayong tinutulungan ng mga nanay weavers. And then, naghanap na ako ng mananahi. And then, hindi ko iniisip na kikita ako eh. Hindi talaga yun yung una kong inisip. Ang
Mhm.
una kong inisip, paano ko alam mo, magagampanan yung pinangako ko na tutulungan ko yung mga local weavers natin.
Mhm.
So, yun. So, hanggang sa, natuwa ako kasi I created the page. Alam mo, hindi ako techie. I mean, Facebook page before, hindi pa naman ganun ka, ano, 'di ba? So, sabi ko, paano ko gagawin yung business dito? Hindi pa naman ganun yung online market before,
Mm-mm.
yung online
Yeah.
selling. So, sabi ko, kailangan kong mag-post, kailangan kong i-market yung sarili ko, 'di ba? So, nakakatuwa kasi may pa isa-isa, dalawa, tatlo na bumibili. So, doon pa lang, na-inspire na ako lalo. And then, yung nagpapasalamat yung mga local viewers natin na hanggang sa yung tatlo, naging 10, naging 20. Tapos,
Aw,
sunod-sunod na siya.
ang
So, nakakatuwa.
galing.
Mhm.
And then, ang bilis kasi parang kakaiba siya eh. Alam mo yun, di ba? Parang
Yeah.
mukha kang badyaw na, alam mo yun, nakasuot yung baby mo, tapos ginagawa mo ang mga ginagawa ng mga lola't lola noon, yung mga kumot lang sa kanila, 'di ba? Pero
Mm.
minodernize natin yung color, ganyan.
Yes.
So, year by year, day by day, o day by day, year by year, nag-i-improve yung quality, yung color, yung design. So, nagre-research na ako niyan para mas mapaganda. So, talagang alam mo yun, sobrang empowered ako, sobrang inspiring. Kasi, ang dami ng moms na tumitingin ng page, they love the colors, they love the concept, the brand, and
Mm.
maraming moms na, alam mo yung, namana pa, yung mga hand-woven kasi, sobrang gandang fabric niyan.
Mm-mm.
And we know na talagang tedious yan, yung process. Para makagawa tayo ng isang fabric, diba, it took 2 weeks, ilan lang yung pwede nating magawa. Pero napadami natin yung mga local weavers natin. Meron na tayo sa Benguet, Batangas, Ilocos. So gano'n na hanggang nagtuloy-tuloy na.
Mm.
Nagkaroon na ng mga iba't ibang communities. And then sabi ko, kailangan ipagpatuloy, kailangan ma-inspire yung mga moms natin na i-pay forward nila yung baby wearing. Kasi imagine, you can be able to multitask, 'di ba? Nagagawa mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo nagagawa without a career. Kasi hindi ka
Yes.
hands-free 'di ba? So ayun na.
Mhm.
And then 2019, I took a baby wearing consultancy course sa New York, 'di ba? Pero it's an online lang.
Online course.
Oh, yeah, online course.
Mhm.
Hindi na ako nagpunta ng US. Ayan. So, doon ko binili si Hamilton. Galing pa siya ng New York. Yung baby doll na lagi kong ginagamit.
Mm.
Yan. So, after that, um, ayan na, naging certified baby wearing consultant. Nag-put up kami ng Shadrach Academy, teaching Filipino, educating the moms and parents on how to wear their baby properly. Kasi hindi lahat ng carrier sa market pwede. Hindi
Yeah.
lahat. And dito sa Philippines, walang nagtuturo. Alam mo yun, sobrang nakakadugo ng puso na makita mo sila, nakakasalubong mo sila na mali yung gamit na carrier. Alam mo
And
yun? And
yung impact sa bata, 'di ba? Na
yes,
because they're uneducated or like they don't know yung background about the right carriers and the right positions and all that. Hindi nila nare-realize pag lumaki yung bata, doon lumalabas yung impact ng nung pagpili natin ng mga, affordable carriers in the market. Oh.
and here in the Philippines, tatlo lang kami yung certified baby wearing consultant. So talagang konti lang kami. Konti
Mm.
lang yung nagtuturo and alam mo yun, parang akala nila pag nakita na nila sa celebrity na ito yung carrier, ito na rin yung
Okay
bibili
na.
nila. Okay na. without, knowing na, ay, meron palang proper baby wearing. 'Di ba? Meron palang carrier na dapat tama sa age, tama sa size ng baby, or tama sa parent, alam mo yun. So, I suggest na while you're pregnant, research about baby wearing para mas maging successful yung baby wearing journey. Kasi,
Mhm.
ano, it's a parenting tool.
Yes, yes.
Magagamit mo ito for 3 years kasama mo. If you are yayaless, 'di ba? Ang trabaho ng nanay hindi naman natatapos. Kailangan mong magluto, kailangan mong maglaba, mamalansya. And if you have multiple children, 'di ba? Kailangan mong alagaan pa yung isa mong anak, and kailangan mo ring alagaan yung asawa mo and the house pa, 'di ba? So, yeah. And
Tama,
I really
tama.
love empowering parents kasi kung sa akin nag-work, for sure magwo-work din sa inyo, 'di ba? Kasi nga laging wala yung husband ko, I'm always alone, na kailangan kong tapusin yung task ko, kailangan kong tapusin yung ginagawa ko. Nakabitbit lang, alam mo yung nakasabit lang lagi yung baby ko sa akin. Hanggang sa naging skills ko na nga siya. I know how to use the ring sling, may back carry pa using the wrap. Yun, so,
That's nice. That's amazing. And I agree 100% with everything that you said, Mommy Jen. And I want to, at Kami Rage, we've been talking and we want to talk more about yung knowledge that we can get out of baby carrying, ano ba yung tamang position and all that. And yung tamang baby carrier, no? But before that, may announcements si Franny.
Yes. Speaking of empowering parents, because you also mentioned how Shadrach, how your baby carriers have helped you as a parent, Mommy Jen, right? And that's why for tonight, we're also giving away one Grow With Me baby carrier. So one lucky mama or dada who's listening
That's, oh my God,
will win.
that's my dream, yung grow with me. Hindi ko
Yes.
inabutan.
Yep.
yeah.
So yeah. So one mom or dad um will win that baby carrier for tonight. At least kahit papano, aside from all the wisdom that we get from Mommy Jen tonight, meron din tayong matutulungan na parent who
Yeah.
can really use this when they multitask, and also just help them with their day-to-day activities with their little one. So later, mommies, abang-abang sa question, we will let you know what to answer or what thread to comment on, so that you can have a chance, so you'll get the chance to win the Grow With Me baby carrier. Super nice, super premium. I love it. And we're just so happy that one parent will be able to bring that home tonight. So yeah.
Yeah. And there's this new carrier, later na. Baka sumobra sa airtime. Pero sige nga, Mommy Jen, can you tell us, ano ba yung mga dapat naming malaman as moms tungkol sa baby carriers? I think for starters, if you're new to baby carrying, what should we know?
Ayan. So, for first timers, syempre sila yung mga parang na-overwhelm sa mga daming offer, di ba? Of course, sa mga veterans ones who are, we want to dedicate din kasi to sa mga babies na gusto nila maging center ng kanilang mundo, ang kanilang mga baby. Find a carrier na pwede from newborn to toddler na. So, mag-invest ka sa ganong carrier. And of course, ang itinuturo natin palagi is find an ergonomic carrier. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng narrow base carrier with a newborn baby, with a preterm baby. So, start with an ergonomic carrier. Number one criteria yan. Ayan. Second, dapat suitable from newborn. Kung may preemie baby ka, first in the Philippines, si Shadrach nag-create ng carrier na pwede na. Ang Grow With Me natin ngayon, mas in-improve na natin. Pwede na from preemie baby, at least 2.2 kilogram. Imagine that very small baby. Oh.
Yeah.
Pero yung panahon natin, Marie, sabi mo ka-age ni Shadrach yung baby mo, infant
Mm-mm.
insert pa. And we need to
Yes.
buy, alam mo yung sabi ko nga when I designed this carrier, Grow With Me, sobrang special ng Grow With Me. Kasi I prayed talaga. I prayed to God na, Lord, sabi ko ganun, sana may bumili. Sana may
Mm-mm.
bumili. Kasi imagine from the scratch talaga, na parang pinagsama-sama ko yung mga na-experience kong career before na dapat hindi
Mhm.
na to ma-experience ng ibang mga mommy. Kasi
Yeah.
dati, you need to buy a carrier for newborn, and then toddler, and then the next stage. 'Di ba? Pero sa Grow With Me, dinesign na natin from preemie to toddler. Wala kang makikitang ganon here in the Philippines.
Mm-mm.
Kaya naman, alam mo yun, sobrang talagang pinag-isipan namin yung design ng Grow With Me. Alam mo
Mhm.
yung nasa center niya na may mesh, tapos may zipper.
Oo.
Before, kailangan mong bumili ng for summer, tsaka yung full panel. So,
Oo.
lagi kang doble ng bili kasi kailangan mo ng pang-presko na carrier, pang summer. Tapos,
Mhm.
dito, two-in-one na siya, itataas mo lang para lumabas yung mesh part. 'Di ba? You don't need to buy another carrier para magka-mesh carrier ka. So,
Mm-mm.
ganun. So, sobrang thoughtful ng design ng Grow With Me, which is God is with me while I'm designing that carrier. I'm so
That's
confident.
why.
Yeah,
Guided by God. Yan.
guided by God talaga. So, sa mga mommies dyan, if you're planning to put up a business, uunahin talaga si Lord. Siya
Yes.
talaga
Mhm.
ang magbibigay sa'yo ng wisdom. And if your heart is for helping other moms and parents at hindi mo unahin kung paano ka kikita, 'di ba? Makaka-create ka ng product na makakatulong talaga sa parents.
And babalik sa'yo.
ang isa sa mga natutunan ko talaga is if you're looking for a business, look for a problem first, 'di
Mhm.
ba? And then pag nakahanap ka ng problema, then find a solution which is your product.
Mhm.
Kasi naging problema ko siya eh. Paano ko aalagaan yung mga anak ko? Tatlo sila, paano ko sila aalagaan, di ba? And then this parenting tool saved me. Baby wearing saved me. You know, tapos nasundan pa, naging four pa sila. May toddler ka, may newborn ka.
Nasulit mo yung baby wearing.
Yes. Kung babalikan nyo yung mga old picture ko, minsan natatawa ko, pero hindi ko siya dinidelete. Hindi ko siya dinidelete, pero nakakatuwa kasi alam mo yun, nabash kasi ako nung one time, gumawa ako ng tutorial na mali-mali. So, pero wag niyong
Mm-mm.
gayahin. Doon naman tayo, lahat naman nanggagaling doon, di ba? We
Yes,
all
yes.
know. So, doon, from there, talagang ginalingan ko, inaral ko, nag-aral ako abroad, research, talagang study about baby wearing. Kasi nga dito sa Philippines, 'di ba, hindi naman siya talaga popular or hindi pa siya talaga gano'n na kilala or pina-practice. Kaya it is a powerful tool to a lot of parents.
Mm.
Mhm.
Ayan.
And very very quickly, Mommy Jen, before we go to our next question, curious lang ako, when you say ergonomic, ano yung ergonomic? Is it like ano yung position ba yun?
Yeah,
Is it like the type of
yes.
uh
When we say ergonomic carrier, yan, so it should support the knee-to-knee position. Sayang wala tayong ano, no? Dapat pala meron akong
visual, no?
PowerPoint.
Oo nga.
Yeah. It
That's
should
okay.
support the knee-to-knee position of the baby. When we say knee-to-knee position, pag nasa carrier na yung baby mo, dapat kung ano yung position ng baby sa womb, nasa sinapupunan pa lang, it mimics the environment while
Oh.
the baby is in the baby carrier. So we call that fourth trimester. 'Di ba? Nasa loob sila
Mm.
ng tiyan, nag-a-adjust pa sila, kaya yung umiiyak yung baby natin for the first 3 months. Dito tayo talaga importante na dapat alam natin yung baby wearing. Kasi pag alam
Mhm.
natin on how to baby wear, may iwasan natin yung tinatawag nating postpartum blues or depression. Kasi nga, bakit ba tayo nagkaka-PPD? Kasi 'di ba overwhelmed tayo, lalo na sa mga first
Mhm.
time moms. We don't know what to
Yes.
do, 'di ba? May buhay kang aalagaan. But siyempre yung mga tips natin sa mga moms ngayon, lalo na sa mga moms na pregnant, first time mom, nakakakalma ang baby wearing sa mga baby natin, sa mga newborn. Kasi yung
Mhm.
init ng katawan mo, yung familiar place, yung boses ng nanay niya, 'di ba? Yung tibok ng puso ng nanay niya, yun ang familiar sa baby mo. And the reason why baby wearing ang makakasolve sa problema mo. Imagine, magagawa mong magsampay, maglaba. Di ba? Magagawa mo lahat. You are empowered,
Mababawasan
guys.
yung overwhelmedness.
Yes,
Yeah.
mababawasan. And yun yung parang nakatulong sa akin talaga na, wow, imagine, kaya mong mag-grocery mag-isa? Kaya, di ba,
Mhm.
kaya kong gawin to, kaya kong mag-computer, nakasabit lang yung baby ko. So, balikan niyo yung mga pictures ko before.
Yeah.
Kasi lagi ko siya share.
Actually, Mommy Jen, yung na-mention mo about postpartum depression, kasi nga feeling mo, because you're taking care of a baby, parang wala ka ibang magawa eh. So,
Mm-mm.
personally, ayun yung na-stress ako ng sobra. Yung nakikita mo nagpa-pile up yung mga huhugasan mong parts, tapos may mga kailangan ka linisin, di ba? And then you feel helpless kasi hindi mo magawa. So I
Mm-mm.
think that's like a big thing na, okay, you can do these things because there's a tool that can help you,
Yeah.
do those chores.
And that tool should be ergonomic. So, balik tayo sa ergonomic carrier. So, it mimics the position of the baby na nasa
Mhm.
womb. So, dapat ganun pa rin yung position niya paglabas niya while using the baby carrier.
Mm.
Nito ni position, mas malalim yung bum kesa sa knees, like a frog. So, you know the position of the frog, di ba? We call it, the ergonomic position, we call it frog position or M position. Kasi pag malalim yung puwet ni baby, parang nagki-create siya ng M,
Um, mhm.
right?
So parang nakaganon, no? Parang nakaganyan siya.
Yung
No?
frog, di ba yung puwet
Oo.
nila parang mas
Mm.
malalim? Yun. Ganon dapat ang
Okay.
position ng baby natin. Kasi with narrow-base baby carrier, we don't have any against with those business na nag-offer ng narrow base. Pero kasi, kailangan kasi for the newborn baby, dapat healthy for the developing hip and spine baby.
Mm-mm.
Imagine kung nakadangling yung legs nila, hindi nakasupport yung spine ng carrier, 'di ba? I mean yung fabric sa back or spine ni baby. So imagine
Mhm.
yung magiging
Masakit yun.
yeah, for the baby. So yun
Yeah.
yung kailangan nating i-consider na kailangan talaga ergonomic carrier para healthy for the developing hip and spine ni baby.
And when we say, for the mommies who are listening, that when we say narrow base carrier, ito yung mga nakaganon, yung parang nakasapo
Yeah,
lang dun sa
nakikitid.
singit ni baby. Nakaganon lang siya.
Parang
Right?
nakasabit na
Mm-mm.
pan, di ba?
Yeah. Alam mo, sobrang hirap na ngayon. I mean, just expressing my frustration kasi that's the reason why kami ni Marie before when we were looking for baby and mom products, ang hirap maghanap kasi wala masyadong reviews. And the thing is, ngayon, it's a lot more difficult because there are so many content creators who are promoting everything, 'di ba? So, and of course, nothing against everyone, right? Parang it's just hard nowadays to find which ones really work. So, sabi mo nga kanina, Mami, dyan, like, you mentioned that even though yung celebrity yung nagpo-promote nitong, you know, baby carrier na hindi naman pala okay for the baby, it's hard, especially kung marami yung following, 'di ba? So,
Yes.
and while we're here, I also want to ask, ano ba yung mga usual myth ng baby wearing? Like, what do you usually come across? Like, ano yung mga sinasabi ng mommy, ay, akala ko hindi pala pwede to. Ano yung mga usual na mga myth about baby carriers or baby wearing?
Yan. So, number one na dyan, yung baby mo masasakang. Di ba?
Oh,
Mm.
oo nga,
Not
ano? Narinig
true.
ko yan.
Yeah. Naku, huwag mong gamitan ng carrier. Kasi sa ergonomic carrier kasi, di ba para silang
Nakaganon siya.
naka-wide yung legs
Naka-M.
nila?
Mm-mm.
Yes. Pero dapat tama lang sa pelvic area nila. Hindi naman yung sobrang overextended na yung legs nila. Yun. So, sa mga matatanda, pag nakikita nila na gumagamit ng ergonomic carrier, yun yung sinasabi nila na nakakasakang. Pero po, ang pagkasakang ay namamana. Kung may sakang sa pamilya, for sure, magiging sakang si baby.
Genetic.
Pero two children, binaby wear ko,
Mm.
wala namang naging sakang. So, it's not true. Wag maniwala. Ayan. So, listen to mga baby wearing educator, mag-research kayo, magbasa. Yan. Para sa inyo din yan. para
Mhm.
makagamit kayo ng carrier na tama for your baby. So yun, and baby wearing gives us generous physical contact, di ba? Laging nasa tabi mo si baby. At sasabihin sa'yo naman ng mga parents or mga nasa paligid, ay, naku, masasanay sa karga, wag mong kargahin yan. Kasi pag
Mhm.
nasanay yan sa karga, ganyan, hindi na yan maglalakad. Mga ganong maririnig na mga myth. Pero once, alam nyo ba, na ang baby wearing nakakatulong pa nga sa baby para mas maging independent sila.
Yung long term effect niya is
Yes.
to,
Yeah. Kasi confident sila. Yung security ng love na binigay mo sa kanya
Mhm.
while, pag ano nila, okay sila eh. They're independent. Pwede mo na silang pabayaan. They can do whatever they want, di ba? Yun,
that's the
so,
ano
Mhm.
eh, that's the magic of a mother's touch. No? Ayan ang sinasabi nila eh. Like the more you
yes,
touch, the more you show that you care for your child, the more happy they are and the more
Mhm.
confident they become, right?
yes.
Yes.
And isa pa na myth, hindi daw makakahinga. Well, kaya kailangan natin magbasa. And
Mm.
paulit-ulit natin sasabihin ngayon na magbasa, mag-research, kasi long term mo itong gagamitin eh. It's a parenting tool.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
Mhm.
Ito yung makakasama mo, hindi mo na kailangan ng yaya, nahihirapan kang maghanap, wala kang katuwang, you should
Mhm.
invest in a baby carrier na makakasama mo long term. And
Mm-mm.
precious baby mo yung ilalagay diyan. And the reason why we are suggesting or advising parent na um, mag-consult sa mga baby wearing consultant, kasi yun nga yung kailangan nating alamin. Ano ba yung posisyon ng small baby?
Mm.
Di ba?
Mhm.
Sa newborn, importante dyan, tatandaan natin yung ABC, yung airway, kailangan may daanan ng hininga. Di ba? Kailangan hindi nakasubsob sa chest ni mommy. So, yun yung
Mhm.
mga bagay na kailangan, especially sa mga first-time mommy, na kailangan nilang marinig. Kasi hindi lahat ng nakikita at napapanood nyo is totoo. 'Di ba? Ang hirap
Mhm.
na nga katulad ng nabanggit ni Mami Rachel kanina, 'di ba, na parang ang dami ng mga offer, ang daming sinasuggest, ang daming content creators. So, importante ang mag-research and find a baby wearing consultant na makakatulong sa'yo. Kasi kasama mo na yan eh, para magawa mo yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin, like multitasking. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
Hindi lang siya for fun. So,
Yeah.
ang career natin is not for fun, hindi pang forma. It's a parenting tool.
Yeah. And I think that's what Shadrach is aiming to achieve eh, no? Na parang kahit na tool siya, it's supposed to be helpful, fashion pa rin, di ba? Parang maganda
Yes,
pa rin siya tignan,
yes.
premium.
Yeah. Kaya nga tayo nagde-design. I'm very hands-on with designing colors. Kasi syempre, iba na yung mga generation ngayon, di ba?
Mm.
Mula millennial to Gen Z, alam mo yun. Kaya nga tayo come up with the product na Grow With Me kasi very easy to use na lang siya. Kasi before,
Mhm.
ang hirap gamitin ng ring sling, meron silang learning curve, ng woven wraps. So for those
Mhm.
parents na on the go, they have the Grow With Me na wala ng learning curve.
Mhm.
So shoot na lang nila sa baby, basta they know what's the proper position, kung safe ba yung baby carrier, di ba? They can easily put the baby inside the carrier.
Yeah.
Yun. Kaya ang
Tama.
swerte ng mga moms ngayon, 'di ba? Parang ito na, lahat pinid na natin. Ito na.
Oo.
Sobrang dali na lang gamitin ng mga carriers nowadays.
Totoo
Especially
yan.
with guided ng mga baby wearer din. Kasi ngayon, 'di ba? Ang dami ng mga moms din na talagang sumusuporta sa kapwa first time mom. Sinasuggest nila na
Yes.
ito yung gamitin mo. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
So, thank you for those moms. Pay it forward. Spread the baby wearing love. Kasi alam mo yung every time na nakaka-receive ako ng mga message, nakakataba ng puso eh. Kasi sasabihin nila thank you kasi for this powerful tool. Sana na-discover ko to sa first baby ko kasi ngayon lang sa second baby ko nagamit, ganyan-ganyan, 'di ba? Pero kung marami tayong mag-educate about proper and safe baby wearing, marami rin tayong masisave ng mommy na, alam mo yun, leading to depression na parang
Mhm.
feeling na wala silang help na makukuha, support system. Yun, so baby wearing is a powerful tool for the new moms, diba? Para
Tama.
makatulong.
Tama. Napakaganda ng information na shinare mo, Mommy Jen. And then honestly, ako kasi hindi ako masyadong naging into like that knowledge because walang masyadong lumalabas, di ba? But knowing all of these myths and knowing all of these things na dapat hindi pala natin pinapaniwalaan tungkol sa baby carrying, gusto ko tuloy ulit magka-baby. Gusto ko ulit
Ang sarap
magka-baby. Gusto
naman
ko
to baby,
baby
di ba?
carry.
Alam mo, may isa akong client na nagsabi, ang carrier niya sa Shadrack, dalawa yung Grow With Me niya.
Mm.
Tapos, meron siyang ring spin. And then ngayon, nag-i-inquire naman siya ng woven wrap. So, kompleto niya na yung parang line ng Shadrack. Sabi niya, for 9 children niya, sabi niya, okay lang. So, sa mga moms, I know the price is medyo um, pricey, pero ganun talaga, it comes with, kasi pinapatest pa natin internationally yung mga carrier
Mm.
natin.
Yeah. And
Pero
investment
syempre,
yan eh.
yeah.
Investment yan
And
for your child.
gagamitin mo talaga for 4 years, for 4 years. So, ang very proud naman ng Shadrack kasi actually, bihira lang ang nagde-destash ng carrier namin. Kung makikita niyo sa market, bihira. Kasi nga, gamit na gamit, from first
Mm.
baby to third baby nila, gamit-gamit pa rin nila yung Grow With Me. So,
Super
alam mo
tibay.
yun, sobrang nakakatuwa na talagang naging helpful and talagang investment. Long term talaga.
Mm-mm.
Sa umpisa, medyo mabigat kasi bibili ka ng isang carrier. Pero when you think about long term and the benefits na mabibigay sa'yo, hindi nasasakit yung ulo mo, i-a-adjust mo na lang yung carrier mo, hindi ka na ulit bibili ng another carrier. 'Di ba?
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Let's think long term. Ayan. Pero pag binenta mo naman ulit sa Shadrack once you're done with your baby wearing, meron pa ring value. 'Di ba? May babalik pa rin sa'yo. O
Yes.
'di ba very proud si Mami Jen?
Siyempre baby mo din 'yan eh, 'di ba? Parang
Yeah, yeah.
non-biological but still
No.
it's your ano,
Tsaka
it
sa atin, okay lang dito mag-promote as long as we know if it's of good quality, 'di ba? And tsaka sinabi mo, Mami, dyan kanina mahal. But ako naman, I always think of it like, how much are you willing to spend for your time multitasking, 'di ba? Gaano karami yung magagawa mo when you have this tool? Or parang ang binibili mo rin dyan is your peace of mind, your sanity, your the ability to do all these things. So you can't buy that, 'di ba? So yun naman yung parang naiisip ko sa mga ganitong products. If it's really convenient for you and it's gonna help you and your baby, then of course, why not invest? Right? So yun, Mommy Jen. And grabe, it's already been an hour. Ang dami
parang
nating
30 minutes na.
chika. Parang
Sabi ko
30
pa
minutes lang.
sasabihin. Naka 1 hour
But
na pala tayo.
Oo, grabe, it's been an hour. But here naman, we're always welcome to have another round if you want, maybe in the next year, most likely, right? But before we end, we also want to ask if there's something new that you want to share with us, with the mommies here. May bago ba sa Shadrack? May nakita akong mga bagong colors, what
Ano
can they
'to?
expect in 2025?
Oo. And with that question, Frenny, before ko sumagot, Mommy Jan, may nakita akong comment sabi niya, hindi ako umabot sa pa-discount ng Airy. What's Airy?
Alright. One of the SSC model. Actually, very affordable ang Erie natin. Para dun sa mga moms din na gustong mag-try ng soft structured carrier. Though, hindi siya fully adjustable like the Grow With Me na pwedeng preemie. So, you need to wait hanggang kaya na siya dun sa carrier. At least, Airy, at least 3.5 kilogram. Depende pa yan kung mahaba yung torso ni baby. So, yun yung mga cons lang na pag bumibili tayo ng medyo mas mura, hindi niya
Affordable. Yeah.
na-accommodate lahat ng features like the Grow With Me kasi pwede na po sa preemie baby.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Ayan.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So, ano yung bago mo? Going back to Rachel's question, ano yung gusto mong i-share na bago sa mga listeners natin?
Ayan. So, dito ko na unang i-reveal.
Wow, naman
Wow!
nun.
Actually,
I'm
Exclusive!
honored.
yeah, I've been silent for months muna kasi nga, alam mo yun, para surprise sa next year, diba? Pero since eto na nga, natanong na nga ni Mami Rachel. Ayan, so we'll be having a collections of colorful baby carriers next year. Ayan, 'di ba nag-sneak peek naman na tayo at nasabi ko na rin kanina na before, at least 3.2 kilogram ang Grow With Me. But now, ang ilo-launch natin sa 2025, pwede na sa 2.2 kilogram. So imagine, paliit ng paliit na na-accommodate ni baby. Kahit preterm baby, pwedeng-pwede sa Grow With Me na. At least 2.2 kilogram. Ayan. And aside from our Grow With Me collections na darating, iba't ibang klaseng design of grandeur carrier. I'm sure nakita niyo na yan during the
Mhm.
giveaway. And also, we'll be having a kinder size baby carrier kasi syempre, I don't know if you're familiar with one of my advocacy na helping our autism and babies. Yeah, and also baby with cerebral palsy. So,
Mhm.
syempre sila din, 'di ba? We need to show them the world na hindi lang tayo
Yes.
mga may normal na anak ang kailangan ng help, 'di ba?
Mhm.
And kailangan din nila tayo. So I created baby carriers for big babies. So kahit 12 years old na yung baby natin na may cerebral palsy, kayang gagawa
Mhm.
ni Shadrach ng carrier yan.
I
'Di ba?
love
Para makarating
it.
sila sa mga places na hindi nadadala ng, for example, stroller. Hindi mo na maakyat ng bundok ang stroller. 'Di ba? So,
Mm.
actually, na-inspire ako sa isang mommy na nakaakyat siya. Alam mo yung hagdan na mataas with her baby na 12 years old. So, iba yung lakas
Galing.
ng nanay para lang maipakita niya ang mundo sa anak niya. So,
Yes,
that's
yes.
so empowering na hindi ako magsasawa na mag-create tayo ng mga carriers na walang mali left behind.
Mm-mm.
We're
Yeah.
one community, 'di ba? So, from autism and to cerebral palsy, we will help them, show them the world. And it's a
Medyo
beautiful
na
world.
teary-eyed ako, mommy, dun sa part na yon. Kasi actually, so nag-message ako nito kay Mommy Pao siguro last year. And I was asking about Grow With Me, kung kakayanin ba si Gavin, my youngest, he has autism. And when he's overwhelmed, when he's triggered, and yung talagang parang na overstimulate yung senses niya, magpapacarry siya. And he's really small because apart from autism, meron siyang global developmental delay. So his body size is the size of a 3-year-old versus 5-year-old na siya ngayon eh. So he has that. He has global developmental delay. He has autism. He's a very easy child, pero when he gets triggered, talagang gusto niya carry lang, nakahug lang siya talaga. And so sometimes it's hard na kunwari madami kang dala, ganyan. There are times where I have to bring him to therapy ng ako lang kasi wala yung dad niya, or may meeting or may something, right? Then I was thinking, sana meron tayong carrier na pwede sa mga ganong age na older. And so when you said that, talaga nagulat ako and na-touch ako kasi wala pa ako nakikitang ganyan sa Pilipinas. So thank you for that. Thank you for the thought that you put in what you do. Sorry, emotional na ako, diba?
Ako din eh,
Okay.
natiteary-eye na ako. But, pero yes, Mommy Jen, thank you for, actually, natuwa ako because a lot of our guests here, or our first two guests, Mommy Karen, Mommy Mandy, their advocacy started because they wanted to help moms. And it's also good to hear that. I know that you have that in the back of your mind, but yung initial mo talaga is like really helping local weavers, 'di ba? Yung industry nila and how to support them kasi hindi it's not growing anymore. So nakakatuwa lang, and your inspiration behind everything that you're doing for the business is really inspiring and empowering to all of us here listening to you. So we're so grateful to have you. Sabi nga namin, parang we want to end the year with a bang.
Yes.
By our third guest. So we're very happy that you're here with us today. And I know that we're short of time.
Yeah.
Pero there will be more chika. And there will be more events like this in the future for sure that you can share with us. Maybe another topic, or maybe if you want to launch the baby carrier for bigger kids, bigger babies,
Yeah.
'di ba? So we'll definitely be honored to have you again here, Mommy Jen. But before we end, of course, our mommies are waiting for the giveaway. So Mommy Marie here will create the comment thread on
Yes.
how you can win the giveaway. But the giveaway question is, Loading ako. Wait.
Kaya mo yan, Franny?
1 second. All right. So the giveaway question for tonight is, what's your baby wearing misconception that was broken today because of our episode with Mommy Jen? So ano yung mga myth na kala mo na totoo pala pero hindi? Because Mommy Jen proved it na hindi pala ganon ang baby wearing.
Yes.
So comment your answers on Mommy Marie's comment. We will only look at one comment thread and we will choose from there. And then we will announce the winner ano mo yan, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekend.
Nagbilang.
We will let you know. But you
Next
know
week.
naman, yes, most likely Monday. Yes, it's the weekend. Yeah. So anything else you want to share, Mommy Jen? Before
Alright,
we
okay. So
close.
another surprise. Itodo na natin to. Mula
Ay,
sa
wow!
giveaway. Ayan. So lahat ng mga nakanood, screenshot nyo to. If you want to buy a baby carrier, I'll give you 50% today.
Wow!
Wow.
Ayan na, sa mga
Grabe!
nakanood dito sa Nipnook. Oh.
Mm.
Grabe,
Wow.
50% ah. Oh,
Yeah.
mommy's comment na kayo, ayan.
Payday
Sana,
sale today, right?
yes, it
Oo, payday
is.
sale. Definitely. So,
Yeah.
grabe ah. It's such a steal. So, thank you, Mommy, for offering um another surprise for tonight. Pero we're just so happy to have you. Alam mo, i-share ko
Yes.
lang sa mga moms na nanonood, no? Hindi kami matagal na friends ni Mommy Jen, pero nag-click kami dahil nakita kami sa Edamama event back in August. I was looking for a giveaway for Nipnok, and then I said, I wanted something different that's hindi breastfeeding. And then I've heard a lot about Shadrach and nakita ko yung stall niya. So sabi ko, I'll check nga Shadrach. And then nagulat si Mommy Jen kasi sabi ko, hi, I wanna do a giveaway, blah, blah, blah. Tapos parang sabi niya, ha, nangihingi ka ba? Pero hindi, she's so nice, she's so kind. Sabi ko, hindi, bibili ako. I will support you.
Teka, sure
So,
ka ba? Sure ka ba bibili ka?
oo, tawag si Mommy Jen. Sabi niya, sure ka ba? Bibili ka?
Sabi ko,
Sabi ko,
bibigay ko
yes.
na lang sa'yo. Sabi niya, hindi, hindi, bibili ako. Yan.
Mga, ilang seconds kami nagba-back and forth doon.
Oo,
Pero
kasi
yeah,
parang
so,
kasi for the community naman. So I'm willing to ano naman for
mm,
giveaways. So, pero marami naman din
yes.
tayong mga community na talagang tinutulungan. Pero nagulat ako,
Mm-mm.
sure ka ba? Parang ang tagal eh, di ba? Ang tagal. Parang ayoko pang ano eh.
Oo. Yes.
Ituloy.
Pero ngayon, 'di ba? At least it's also even though kahit successful ang business, right? I still want to support obviously and hindi lang din naman to para sa it's also for the weavers, 'di ba? So parang it's the support goes a long way. And hindi naman sa mamayabang or something, pero I really just want to support. I don't want to ask, 'di ba? Hindi naman sa ano, pero it's really the support that you give the businesses. And at the same time, help a mom and then help another one, yung pagbibigyan mo. Tapos binigyan ako ni Mommy Jen ng Shadrach Airy. So, ayun.
Yes.
So, yes. Tsaka teethers. Ay, mga, yun, tama.
Sabi ko,
Ang
ba't ang
mga
dami?
So yun, so super happy, and that's why we're happy to have you here. But thank you so much, Mommy Jen, for being here with us tonight.
Yes, thank you, Mommy Jen. At aabangan ko yung carrier mo for the bigger kids. Naku, aabangan ko
Yes.
talaga yan. Okay, so mommies, I already posted the thread. Again, ulitin namin ha. Yung comments lang dun sa thread na yun ang i-consider natin. I'm seeing a lot of comments here. Sayang, dun yung ilagay sa thread. Okay? Dun
Mhm.
kami kukuha ng winners. Dun lang. Wala kami ibang pagkukuhanan. All right. So thank you again, mommies, for joining us tonight. If you're hearing this message, you've listened to the entire episode. And for that, again, we want to thank you from the bottom, bottom, bottom of our hearts. Nag-enjoy kaming dalawa sa episode na to, kaming tatlo sa episode na to, and I'm sure you
Yes.
guys did too. And so if you did, please leave us a review in the Nipnock page. Yes, ito, non-alcoholic,
Cheers natin!
non-alcoholic, but cheers
Cheers!
pa rin.
Happy Friday,
Um,
everyone!
Happy Friday. So leave us a review and please share this episode to others who may be interested and who can learn more from this topic.
Yes, and also let us know what topics you want to be covered in the future. Get in touch in the comments. And thank you again to everyone. Mommy Jen, any last words before we end?
Yes. Okay. So for the moms, give yourself grace. Okay. So don't try to do everything. Okay. Don't be too hard on yourself, ha? Let go na natin yung mga mom guilt. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Yes.
pray always. Pray always for your children.
Very
Mhm.
nice message. Thank you so much, Mommy Jen.
Yes. Thank you, Mommy Jen. We enjoyed tonight. And thank you all for being with us. Happy Friday, happy weekend. And we hope you're all safe this
Bye,
weekend. May paparating na
everyone.
storm.
Bye-bye.
Oh, yung nga. Stay
Bye-bye.
safe.
Stay
Likewise,
safe.
Bye.
everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.